Check the screen, we have a temperature spike here.
Confirming, doctor. Levels normalizing now. It's stable.
All right, continue the line. Next one, please.
In the second step, an overhead feeding machine moves slowly above the foxes. This machine pours a constant
Temperature is reading normal, 101.2.
Okay, recorded. Moving to the next one.
Sample secure. All indicators green.
Confirmed. Logging vitals now.
This one is cleared for the next stage.
In the seventh step, the selected fin will move toward the primary chamber.
Step 10.
This washing and soaking process removes dirt, blood, and impurities, and prepares the fox hides for the next stage of professional leather tanning.
East Asian male workers in yellow protective suits care for special chemical solutions and Step 15. Final rinse in clean water for silver fox hides. In the 15th step, the process...
The water quality is stable, reading 6.8 pH. Hides are clean and consistent.
All right, approved for the tanning section. The pH level is exactly where we need it, holding steady at 3.5.
Good. Make sure the hides are fully submerged for even absorption.
Sir.
In the 8th step, the fox hides are laid flat on a wide conveyor and pass under a row of power.
Check the edges on this one, near the shoulder. Looks clean. The rinse cycle is working well.
Step 22.
The hides move on a conveyor toward the hot tunnel, where controlled warm air removes moisture from every fox.
Still too rigid on this side. Okay, put it back in the chamber. The rest of these are good to go.
In the 26th step, the inspected fox hides are sorted and grouped according to their quality and thickness. Workers The controlled microflame evens out the hair layer, enhances the natural fox pattern, and seals the surface for maximum durability. In the 29th step, the finished fox hides are passed through a powerful roller machine.
In this step, the softened fox hides pass through a second set of heavy-duty calibration rollers. The
offcuts from the new machines are much cleaner. Yes, almost everything here is reusable for the lining.
The color intensity on the left nozzle seems low. Adjusting the volume now. Sample looks good.
The data on the thickness right here looks good.
Confirmed, it meets the premium standard for the fox leather finish.
In the 39th step, the fox leather receives its final protective seal. As the hides
The steel rollers press down, stamping these elegant geometric patterns. We have to carefully control the pressure and temperature. In the 42nd step, the embossed fox leather hides pass through a final heat stabilizing unit. In this step, selected fox leather hides receive a premium brand stamp. This circular logo confirms the leather.
In the 105th step, the finished colorful fox leather portfolios are cleaned and checked one last time before packing.
Check the thickness here. Looks good. Right, onto the pass table.
The stored fox leather is selected and checked against the order list. The rolls are then securely tied for transport and moved to the packing area.
As the pieces move along the conveyor, African-American male workers guide them into a large tank filled with the prepared protective solution.
In the 57th step, the fox leather pieces are given their final fashion colors. South Asia.
In the 58th step, the fox leather pieces move through a fully automated dyeing line. Workers in yellow coats.
In this step, the multicolored fox leather pieces receive a gentle final rinse and inspection. Workers check that the
annually. In the 61st step, the freshly dyed fox leather pieces pass through a pressure-controlled rinse. Powerful.
In the 62nd step, the fox leather pieces are sorted by female workers. They carefully check each panel, placing.
We need 2 more large reds for this box.
And I have the small black stack ready to go.
Step 68 involves supplying the stitching lines. Workers unload the stacked leather panels, sorting them efficiently so sewing can begin without delay.
In the 73rd step, skilled Hispanic female operators carefully stitch the Arctic Fox leather panels together by hand-guided machines.
Each fox leather panel receives a final line of fine stitching along the outer edge. The operator carefully guides the fox.
In the 86th step, each finished fox leather belt is carefully cleaned and polished by hand. A young adult South
In the 90th step, the colorful fox leather briefcases receive their last structural seams. African American